Hello children, the lesson we are learning is adaptation of plants. Today's topic will be aquatic plants, insectivorous plants and non-green plants. So, what are aquatic plants? Aquatic plants have adapted themselves amazingly to survive in water. These plants can be further distinguished into three types like floating plants, fixed plants, underwater plants. Now, floating plants. Duckweed, water lettuce, water hyacinth are some floating plants. Most of these plants have fibrous roots. They can float in water. Their root system are not fixed at the bottom of the water body. Their roots just float below the surface. These plants have floating leaves and chlorophyll is present upper surface of the leaf. Floating plants are light, spongy to facilitate the floating. Now, the fixed water plants. These plants have their roots fixed to the bottom of the pond. They have thin, long and hollow stems to reach the surface of water. Leaves of this plant are broad, flat with a waxy coating on the surface to prevent them from rotting. Water lily and lotus are common example of fixed water plants. Underwater plants. Plants like hydrilla, pondweed and tape grass are some underwater plants. Such plants are completely submerged in the water and have thin ribbon-like narrow leaves. They absorb carbon dioxide given out by the aquatic animals through their body surface to prepare their food. Now it will be a very interesting topic. Now we will learn about insectivorous plants. There are some unusual plants like Venus flytrap, sundew and pitcher plant which will eat the insects. Their leaves are modified to capture the insect. Such plants are called the insectivorous plant. Let's talk about the insectivorous plant like the pitcher plant. In a pitcher plant, the leaves are modified into a pitcher-like structure. The leaf tip is modified and it forms a lid. This lid can open and close the mouth of the pitcher. Once an insect enters the pitcher, the lid closes and the insect gets trapped inside the pitcher. Non-green plants. Students, we all know that the plants will have the chlorophylls, but some plants like mushrooms, toadstools, molds are non-green plants because they don't have chlorophyll. Such plants cannot make their food and usually absorb the food from other dead plants and animals. So, they are called the saprophytic plants. Example, mushroom, Indian pipe, coral root, etc. Thank you.